User experience is one of our biggest priorities at OnTime, which is why we try to offer a high level of customization. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can change your individual settings to make the OnTime Group Calendar fit your specific needs. In the top right corner, you have your settings, and from here you can do a few different things. Firstly, you can set your language, and even if the rest of your organization is using another language, you can still use your own without any problem. Next is the date-time format, which also can be customized to your preferences. If I'm changing these things for someone else, I can also choose to notify them about the changes by setting this to yes. Under this, you can set your startup configuration. If there, for instance, is a view that you use more often than others, you can choose to always start in that view when you open OnTime. Likewise, you can also set a specific group to start in, or if you simply want to start where you left off, you can pick the last selected view and last selected group options. Lastly, you have your working hours. Here you can choose the time zone that you're working in and when during the day people generally can expect you to be working. It could be that you don't work on Mondays or that you leave early on Thursdays. This way, people aren't booking meetings with you outside of your personal working hours. Now all that's left to do is click Save, and just like that, these changes will quickly and automatically update in your calendar. One last feature in the settings is the About button, which shows you what version of OnTime you're currently running. In addition, you can click up here in the left corner to get even more information that can prove quite useful if you're sitting with support or the IT department. As always, remember you can access the OnTime tutorial videos directly from your group calendar by clicking on the question mark in the top right corner. This link takes you straight to the playlist relevant for the specific version of OnTime that you're running. This way, you are never far from a helping hand if you have trouble figuring something out. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and check out the rest of the playlist. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.